This is what you do when you have corona in ban. Corona at home, you better find project fit with your house because you know you're busy when the corona done, you gotta go back to work. But so I'm doing all my corona job.
This is the light that we have from Costco for $69.99. I highly recommend that. It's very, very pretty. I will try to give you a close-up, but it's worth it for $69.99. Okay, and now let me show you how everything came out together. I am going to show you the reveal. I am very happy with it. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So let's start with the lights. It's very pretty. So you saw the lights, it's not that bad. And then we got this from Costco, $399.99. This is a small changes on budget, just something to lift up your spirit. Nothing too big, nothing too exciting, just enough to say you did something, you know. This is it. Bye guys.